When it comes to utilizing selection tools to create complex shapes in Adobe Photoshop, the key is to make sure that you are using the right tool for the job. With a wide variety of selection tools available, it can be easy to get overwhelmed and not know which one will work best. The lasso tool allows you to draw an outline around a particular area on your canvas, making it great for creating more intricate shapes such as those around text or logos. The magnetic lasso tool quickly selects objects based on their color and contrast values through an automatic process. When working in Adobe Photoshop for graphic design, it is essential to have an understanding of color management. Color management helps ensure that colors are consistent across multiple devices and platforms, making it easier for designers to produce professional-looking results that will look the same on any display or device. When working with colors in Adobe Photoshop, you should start by setting up a color profile. You can choose from several different profiles such as sRGB or CMYK depending on your project's needs. Once you have chosen a profile, you can adjust individual colors using various tools such as hue, saturation, and curves adjustments. Applying layer styles to enhance visuals is one of the most effective ways to make your graphic design stand out. Layer styles are a great way to quickly add depth and dimension to your graphics, making them look much more professional and polished. With Photoshop, you can experiment with different types of layer styles, such as bevel and emboss, drop shadow, outer glow, and color overlay. You can adjust the settings for each layer style to get just the right effect you're looking for. For example, by applying a bevel and emboss layer style over an image or text object in Photoshop, you can add realistic, raised, or sunken effects. Incorporating text effects for added interest is one of the most powerful ways to use Adobe Photoshop for graphic design. With the right combination of fonts, sizes, and colors, you can create stunning designs that will have your audience captivated. Text effects can be used to enhance the overall look and feel of a design project, or they can be used as an attention-grabbing element in a layout. Using text effects in Adobe Photoshop is incredibly simple. All you need to do is select the text tool from the Tools panel on the left side of your screen and click on an area where you would like to add a text effect. Vector graphics are one of the most popular forms of graphic design, as they can be easily adjusted and manipulated without losing any quality. Vector graphics are used in everything from logo design to web design, and Adobe Photoshop is a powerful tool for creating them. The pen tool is a great way to create precise vector shapes quickly and accurately. You can draw straight lines and curves with ease, making it perfect for creating complex shapes like logos or icons. The Paths panel in Adobe Photoshop allows you to save and edit vector paths that you have created with the pen tool or other tools within Photoshop.